Hey guys, and welcome back. Hope everyone's starting off the year amazing. Every year I create New Year's resolutions and I write down my planner book. I write down my goals and ideas for the year. This year I want to do something a little different and create a vision board. A vision board is a collage with pictures and words that represent your goals and aspirations in life. I can't wait to get this started. Once I complete my vision board, I'm going to hang it right in my room where I can see it every morning. I can't wait to show you guys my process in creating this vision board, so let's go get started. So the kids are asleep, and this is the perfect time to create this vision board. I'm gonna make a quick little snack, maybe some popcorn, chocolate, and a little drink, and I'm gonna create this list of all the things that I wanna accomplish for 2019. This will make it easy when I start creating my vision board, so I have something to go by. Okay, so these are the items you're gonna need to create a vision board. So I have this poster board right over here. You guys can get any size or shape poster board, any color too. And I got this one at the Dollar Tree for 50 cents. And it's one of those little phone boards. And I have my list of aspirations and goals right in here. This is the markers that I'm gonna use. I got some glue sticks, tape, scissors, a pen in case I need to write more things. And I have this thing that I printed up that says 2019 goals. And I have just one magazine. I don't really have magazines. And I'm actually gonna use my old calendars. This is actually what I use for 2019. And they have some really cute sayings here. And I'm gonna show you guys. For example, here. And they just have like some cute patterns. So why not just use these instead of wasting it, right? So that's what I'm gonna use for that. And then this is also some other calendars that I have that I used last year. And I just really like their quotes and their pictures and images. So I didn't want that to go to waste. I'm also gonna use that. So if you guys don't have any magazines, definitely look at your old calendars that you guys had last year or any old planner book, because I'm sure they have a lot of designs there too. And that's pretty much it. You guys can use markers, paint, crayons, stickers, anything you guys wanna use. So I'm gonna use the list that I created and use this as a guide to cut out the things that I need from these magazines and planners. This is where the fun part begins, you guys. So after I'm done cutting, I kind of laid everything out where I wanted it to be, but like I put it in certain categories. So right now this is like the wellness area, and then I have where I want like my dreams and thinking big and what I want to do this year for 2019, and then what I want for self-love and self-care over here. So this is what I've had so far laid out, and now it's time to glue everything on. I'm going to be using some Elmer's glue to stick on the pictures and words, and if this doesn't work, I'm just going to be using some tape. So let's start putting these on the poster board. My vision board is complete and I'm so happy on how it turned out. I actually am going to start hanging it up. I'm in my room right now and I'm going to use leftover command strips that I had from when I was hanging up pictures in my house. So this is what I'm going to use to hang up this poster. So my vision board is up and it's ready for me to look at every single day, and I'm quickly go over it with you guys. I'm not going to explain exactly what the details are going to be, but you guys will have an idea of how I did my vision board and how I categorized everything. So we're going to start with over here with God first. And for this one, I actually want to go to church more and I want to pray more, and I want to put God and put him in the center of my life and just put him first, and remember to pray every morning and night and pray while I eat. So that's the first thing. And then over here, we do want to travel more this year. I actually want to go to one of the places on my bucket list. So that's one thing that we want to do with the family. And I have a camera here. I have a camera that I bought last year and I want to learn how to use it properly. So that's one of my goals for 2019. And also, we also have some big goals for this year. We're going to get a new car and possibly a new house. So that's another goal that we want to do this year. And then over here, you guys see all these healthy foods and you see fitness going on over here. And I just want to stay fit, get fit, eat healthier. One of my goals for this is being able to do a pull-up. I don't know how to do a pull-up and I never could do a pull-up. So that's a goal that I definitely want to accomplish this year, at least one. Over here, I have just people being happy and just, she looks like she has amazing skin, so I put skincare under her. But I want to just basically do a lot of self-care, self-love, and just be happy with myself and putting myself, first. Because if you make yourself happy, then everyone else is going to be happy. So that's why I have this over here. And then over here I have let it go. Let it go is my new phrase for this year. Trying to not worry about the little things and just letting it go. If Melanie spills a cup of orange juice on the floor, just clean it up and let it go. If you couldn't pick up, if you just couldn't accomplish something or something bothers you, or if it's so small, little, just let it go and go on, keep it moving. So that's something I want to stand by this year. And then over here I have some hearts, and I have how to be that hot and heavy couple. I want to do more date nights with my husband and make it like a weekly or monthly thing, and I want to stick to that. So sometimes with kids and just having just a crazy lifestyle, sometimes you forget about date nights and you get home, you try to plan for date nights, but then you're tired or you end up falling asleep. And I know a lot of you moms and dads know how that life is. So that's what I have so far for 2019, and I'm so excited. I hope I inspire you guys to create your own vision board. There is no right or wrong way to do this. You guys can create a vision board like this, put it on a poster board, or you guys can make one digitally, put it on your laptop or on your computer desktop, or you can even put it on your phone and save it as your screensaver. So definitely set goals, you guys, and conquer them. You guys, 2019 is going to be amazing. Let me know in the comments below if you guys ever created a vision board before. Leave this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.